So we're all living in a human body, and the human body requires maintenance just like a car. It's funny to me that we take better care of our vehicles, our material possessions, than our actual bodies, which is the thing that allows us to navigate this planet. And I realized that I was not taking care of my body, my mind, my nervous system. And this practice of being biologically congruent was the thing that helped me regulate my nervous system. What are you talking about? Like, I had no clue, because they don't really teach you this stuff. This is not common knowledge. This is pursued knowledge. If you pursue the knowledge, then you can, then you'll understand these subjects. And I said, no, teach me. And he would teach me, right? He says, this is how you're supposed to breathe. You're supposed to use your diaphragm. Boom. And another thing he taught me about was HRV, heart rate variability, how to measure that, the tools that are available to measure your heart rate variability. Why do you want to measure your heart rate variability? What in the world is heart rate variability? And we went on this rabbit hole. He went down the rabbit hole first, then he took me with him. And I was curious enough to ask him. And I did ask him about it, and changed my life forever. I now have tapped into what's known as the parasympathetic response, primarily making that the dominant response versus the sympathetic response. So sympathetics, just think of someone that's highly stressed all the time, someone that's living in anxiety. This is the background worry all the time, a cloud of negativity hanging around all the time. That's sympathetic response activated. If your sympathetic response is activated and it doesn't shut off, you're constantly stressed, anxious, depressed, overwhelmed, and you're always worrying about everything. If that's you, all it means is that you have a dysregulated nervous system.